So we're learning about letter O this week, okay? I suggest you start letter O by listening to a song. I just go on YouTube, type letter O song. We really like this ABC Mouse song. So go ahead and listen to this song. Then I'm going to read you a book all about letter O. Now, O says a couple sounds, but mostly we'll hear it say itself, O, ah, or sometimes ooh in the middle of words especially, okay? So let's listen to our letter O book. This is letter O. The letter O. Owl starts with the letter O. Orange starts with the letter O. Octopus starts with letter O. Overalls start with the letter O. Ocean starts with the letter O. Otter starts with the letter O. Orchid starts with the letter O. The letter O is okay. Next, you're going ahead and get your letter O workbooks and follow my next YouTube video for how to do those.